Look what I bought today. I didn't really buy it today, but it arrived today. Yes, my people, good day. Everybody knows how shipping is. Let's open the box and check it out. For this, I grabbed my trusty 3-star ratchet. Let me show you how we open it. Close the lights up. Home Depot, where doers get more done. We have some Milwaukee products. So we have this one. We have this one. This one. This one. Like that. Discard of this stuff appropriately. Let me take a closer look. About the 1/2 inch, the 3/8, 1/4 inch, and then this. So some may ask, why are you buying new tools? I am upgrading my selection. I'm a snap-on guy when it comes on to ratchets. Not everything. Don't get me twisted now. I don't have a snap-on hammer. Milwaukee came out with this new design for the flex head. You see they have this right here? The cost of one of these Milwaukee 3/8 ratchets with this superior flex head locking mechanism design is cheaper than one of these. Price point is a big factor. You see the difference between the 1/4 inch? It's a little bit shorter, a little bit more robust in the handle, and I prefer this design while working than this design. The pulling back, because you have to pull back and kind of push to the side. And it works, don't get me wrong, it works, but this works a little better. So, I didn't have one of these in flex head, 1/2 inch, and I was like, sometimes you have to spend a little money on yourself. Step up the game. See that right there? Nice. Invest in yourself. And then the best part is 90 teeth. Hear that? Yeah. Listen to that. You hear that? Yeah. No, the snap-on is too enough. So what this is a 3/8 drive stubby. You see how small it is, but it is a 3/8 drive. Because usually 3/8 drive are larger. You see the comparison right there, son? See that? Because sometimes you're in a tight spot and it's 3/8 drive and you just can't fit a standard ratchet in there. So I bought this one here, 3/8 drive. See, it is along the same size as. I was looking to see if they had it in flexhead, but it's not really that important in flexhead. It's really nice. So Milwaukee, really hats off to Milwaukee. They come out with a nice selection of ratchets. Let me know what you think. Leave some comments. I'm curious to know if you have bought any as yet. They work nice. Invest in yourself. Spend some money on yourself. Have some nice tools. You can get the job done quicker and easier. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, bless. Yeah. Oh, wrong drop.